Good day, ladies and gentlemen. Today we are in our mini poultry, backyard poultry. As you can see, these are Noila beds. As you can see, they are just 2 months old. And today we are going to show you how we do prepare their feed, house-made preparation. Stay tuned and watch. Yes, this is just a shelf like chaff. That is maize chaff. Yes, this is maize chaff, normal maize chaff. And what we do, we get some pepper. We'll grind some pepper. Then we get some crayfish. Yes, and granules. This is what we are going to mix together to bring out a very nice concentrate. Now, this kind of preparation will not consume huge amount of money. With less amount of money, you produce a balanced diet feed for your birds, and they will grow rapidly. Let's see how we do it. So now we start by grinding this pepper, as you can see. And also this is beans. We are going to mix also beans to this feed to make a very nice concentrate. Now what we have on ground, we have beans, granules, crayfish, then we have chaff.
Chaff meat?
Yes, chaff meal. Then we have pepper, as you can see, it's on process, we are grinding it. So now, what is the aim? What is the target? We need to have a balanced diet. This is fish, it's protein. This is fat and oil. This is second class protein. This is like vegetable, right? Vitamin. This is carbohydrates. So stay tuned and watch. Ladies and gentlemen, this is the pepper. We've grinded it. At least of this nature is okay. We can now get our crayfish and put it in. You see, then we'll grind it too, so it'll be a little bit grounded. Sorry to say, please, we also need some eggshell, though we have it little here, but if possible you get it much, you can add it in the food, in the concentrate that you are making. Eggshell, it contains calcium, and it increases enhances the bone strength. It gives more strength to the bone and reduces fractures for birds. We can also we can also add some salt, because salt contains iron, and iron is very good for birds. Yes, it enhances the system. See, you are adding it. We've put in the crayfish, as you can see. Then the eggshell is there. Then the pepper is there too. So we are now to mix it together and grind it to become more smooth. Yes, as you can see now, it's almost to be grinded properly. We added some eggshell. It's coming so nice. Let's at least more pounding, and it will be okay. This combination is now well grounded, so we can remove it from the mortar. So that then, what's the next thing? We get the beans. Yes, we put the beans in and grind it too. not too smooth. Yes, this is the beans. We've blended it in a way that it's making like this. So we can now mix it with. Now we are about to start grinding the granules. Yes, we can mix this together now. It looks small for this quantity, and this, well, it's mighty. What it contains is worthwhile. Very, very good. Look at it. The granite now is well grounded. So you can now mix it together with this combination. Nice, nice, nice. Okay. So, yes, now this is the formula. I've mixed it. Mix it very well. Yes, mix it very well. Now, what is the next target? Now, what we do? The maize chaff. The maize chaff can now be mixed together with this combined concentrate. Very, very good. See, now we are mixing it. Yes, this one too, mix it together with the chaff, the maize chaff.